If you're looking for a hard-working truck without the fancy price tag, check out this 2018 Ford F-150 XL at Bryan's Car Corner. This regular cab, two-door truck is built simple and tough with a 5.0-liter V8 under the hood that's known for plenty of power and durability. It's rear-wheel drive, which a lot of truck folks prefer for towing and hauling, and it comes with a 4-pin trailer wiring setup ready to go. You'll also find front and side curtain airbags, air conditioning, daytime running lights, and chrome interior accents for a little extra style. It's got right around 95,000 miles on it. The price is $17,988 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $18,287 plus tax, tag, and title. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Give us a call or visit bryanscarcorner.com to schedule your test drive today.